1, 2, 3.
Good
Good
afternoon,
Giờ theo em
teacher.
Good afternoon, students. You look like time pass teacher. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. We already did a warm up this morning, so we are just going to jump straight into it. We are currently busy with Unit 7. But before we get there, I first want to ask you a few questions. So I'm going to show you a picture, and you have to tell me what is in the picture. Are you guys ready? Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Okay, I think you guys must be ready. Here we go. Who can tell me what is this? What is this? Anyone tell me, what do we call this? We use it to sleep at night.
Pillow.
A pillow. Very good. Now, is a pillow hard or soft?
Soft.
Soft. So this pillow is soft. This is. Right, let me just change my camera quickly to accommodate for the. Now you guys can read. Yes. So the pillow is soft. Excellent. The next one is we find it in the soil or outside.
Rock.
A rock. Excellent. Now is a rock hard or soft?
Very, very soft.
Ooh, are you sure?
No, it's hard.
Okay, if you say it's soft, it's not a problem. I can bring one for you and you can try and bite it. See if you will have some teeth left. The rock is hard. Excellent. Very good. In the morning after we take a shower and we get dressed, we always have to look in what before we leave?
Mirror.
We look in the mirror. Excellent. Now, is the mirror, is it smooth or rough?
Smooth.
Smooth. Yes, smooth. So what does smooth mean? If you take, for instance, I have a case here of my my watch. Now, this case on the outside is very smooth. There's nothing that is causing a problem. Everything feels the same. It's nice and smooth. But if you look on the inside, you can see the different kind, almost like a thick plastic that they use. Now, this thick plastic is a little bit rough. If you feel it, it's not smooth. Your finger gets stuck when you try and slide it. It's not as smooth as the outside. Okay. So we'll look into smooth and rough also a little bit later in a little bit more detail, just so that we get an understanding. The next one is what grows outside?
Tree.
A tree. Now, is a tree smooth or rough? Yes, a tree is rough. Why? Because if you put your hand against a tree and you rub up and down, you feel the outside bark of the tree scratching your hand. So that means it's quite rough in texture. It's not nice and smooth. What about this one? The one that the bees make for us? You see the picture clearly.
Honey.
Honey, excellent. Now, is honey sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet, yes, excellent. Honey is sweet. Very good, you guys. Excellent so far. The next one, we use this one in cooking.
Lemon.
A lemon. Are you sure? Is it not a lime?
Yes. Oh,
No, it's not a lime. Why? Because the lime is green, the lemon is yellow. Now, is the lemon sweet or sour?
Sour.
It is very sour. Oh, it's very sour. Excellent, excellent. Now, the lime is also a bit sour, but not as sour as the lemon. The lemon is very sour. Oh. How about this one? Buy at 7-Eleven.
Snack.
Snacks. Yes, but what do we call the snack? Start with a
Chips.
chips. Chips. Chips. Now, is chips sweet or salty?
Salty.
Salty. Mostly it's salty. Yes, excellent. But you do find some chips that are sweet. So they put here, this one is a potato chip. Now you get different types of chips. You can get a potato chip. You can get sweet potato chips. You can even get pumpkin chips. Those ones are not that good. I like normal chips, normal potato chips. And the last one, hey, one of my favorite. Dun, dun, dun.
Chocolate.
Hey, chocolate. Now, is chocolate sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. Oh. It is sweet, yes. But this is another chocolate. Let's have a look again. What does the word above chocolate say? We can read there.
Dark
Dark.
chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Now, is dark chocolate sweet or bitter?
Butter.
Dark
Little bit.
chocolate is a little bitter. Excellent, excellent. It is a little bitter because they do not add that much sugar. They also use the same, they use the same types of cacao to make the chocolate, but they just don't add as much sugar. And the way they make it is a little different. So it comes out a little bittery. And I know when I was younger, I used to love sweet chocolate. And now the older I get, the more I like my chocolate a little bit bitter. Not sure why, but that is how my taste also changed a little bit. So that is a beginning of our words. So let's have a look at what they want us to learn from these words. So first thing, as per usual, we have to spend some time and listen to a story. We're going to spend a little bit of time and we're going to listen to the story 2 times. And then we're going to practice all together. So make sure we have some water to get our voice box and our vocal cords nice and moistened by some fresh water, because we're going to need to use them now. Firstly, let's pay attention, listen carefully, and then we'll answer the questions afterwards.
Page 62. Let's learn more. A. Learn the words. Number 1.
Pillow. Soft.
Number 2.
Rock. Hard.
Number 3.
Mirror. Smooth.
Number 4.
Tree. Rough.
Number 5.
Honey. Sweet.
Number 6.
Lemon. Sour.
Number 7.
Potato chip. Salty.
Number 8.
Dark chocolate. Bitter.
Okay, this one, we're only going to listen to it once. Because I want to talk, while we are practicing, I want to talk to you about it. So the first row of words, let's quickly go through them first, and then we go through the second row. So the top over here. The first word is the name of the item in the picture. The second word is how it feels. So, like we say, the pillow, it feels soft. Remember, we are still busy using our senses. Our senses to eyes to see, our sense of smell for the nose, taste for the mouth and tongue, hearing for the ear, and feeling for the hands. So you can see they put the hand here because you need to explain what that item feels like. Okay, so the first one over here, let's practice all together. The way we do it is like this. The first one we say pillow, soft. Okay, so I'm going to say both words and then you say both words back to me. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes.
Yes.
Good. Here we go. Number one, pillow, soft.
Pillow. Pillow. Soft.
Very good, very good. One more time. Pillow, soft.
The rock hard
Soft.
Miller, the
Excellent.
Miller smooth treeเรา
So, thank you, Tantan. Thank you. Okay, number two. Rock hard.
the rock
Rock. Hard.
Excellent. One more time. All together here. All together. Rock hard.
no mean the rock
Hard.
Number three. Mirror smooth.
smooth tree round
Mirror. Smooth.
Excellent. One more time. Mirror smooth.
Mirror.
rock hard
Smooth.
Miller smooth tree round
Excellent. Four. Three. Rough.
Tree.
Three. Rock.
Again, please. Three. Rough.
Three.
Tree.
Rock.
Rock.
I want to hear that that rolling R when you say rough. You can practice by doing this. We practice our R's to make our R's roll over. We can just sit at home and just do this. Just to practice it. Takes a little bit of time to practice, but that gives us the nice pronunciation of the R. Rough. Okay, so let me show you guys quickly. From these four pictures, we have 8 words. But if you take all of those 4 pictures, you actually only have to add 2 words to each of them to make a sentence. For example, I'll show you one on the whiteboard before we carry on. We have the pillow, which they say soft. So we have the pillow and it's soft. So if you want to make a short sentence, we only have to add 2 words. Let's quickly look here so you can learn something new here. We can say to start off the sentence, the pillow is soft. So if someone gives you those 2 words, they tell you to make a sentence, you can make a very simple sentence by saying the pillow is soft. So you explain how the pillow feels when you touch it. Is soft. So you can use these 2 words, the and is, in any of the following. Oops, that's the wrong button, sorry. You can use them in any of the following 4 pictures. I'll show you another example here. So we say the pillow is soft. The rock is hard. The mirror is smooth. The tree is rough. So that is just a very easy way to sometimes make a sentence by just adding 1 or 2 extra words. I know I ask you guys to make sentences quite often, and in that sense, I also want to teach you how can we make a sentence, even though it doesn't need to be a lot of words, we can still make one that makes sense and is 100% correct. Okay. The next 4 words or pictures we looked at is all about taste, how it tastes. That's why they put the picture of the mouth to the side here. It's all about how does this product in the picture taste. So let's quickly practice them all together. The first one is honey, sweet.
Honey. Sweet.
Very good. Number 6, lemon, sour.
Lemon. Sour.
Excellent, excellent. All together here, all together here. Number 7, potato chip, salty.
Potato chips.
Let's be a little bit careful when we pronounce, not to say sh. It's not a ship, it's a ch, 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 ch. So if you want to practice, we do that ch, ch, not sh, sh. There's the way the difference is, the one is spelled with a ch. The one spelled with a ch is ch. The one spelled with a sh is sh. So she. So if you can look at it, you get she, or you can get chi. Chi is also something that is used in meditation, your chi. So remember that pronunciation. Let's do it one more time. Potato chip, salty.
Potato chip. Salty.
Better, much better. I like it. I like it. We can still practice that one in the coming lessons, especially the sound that we make and the movement of our lips when we speak. And the last one here is dark chocolate bitter.
Dark chocolate bitter.
Excellent, excellent. That sounds a lot better so far. Very good, you guys. Thank you very much. So you can look at the 4 pictures we just spoke about. And for each of them, we can also add the 2 words to make a sentence. For example, the honey is sweet. The lemon is sour. The potato chip is salty. The dark chocolate is bitter. So once again, we just have to use 2 extra words and we can make a sentence to explain the taste of the different pictures we looked at. Okay. The next one here at the bottom is ask and answer. So we're going to listen to the story and let's see how they use these words in the story and see if we can remember and then also speak about them. Okay, so let's listen to the story 2 times. Here we go.
Page 62. B. Ask and answer.
Jenny and Andy went to a daycare center. They talked with the children about the senses.
How does the mirror feel?
The mirror feels smooth.
Feel. Feels. Taste. Tastes.
Number 1.
How does the mirror feel?
The mirror feels smooth.
Number 2.
How does the rock feel?
The rock feels hard.
Number 3.
How does the pillow feel?
The pillow feels soft.
Number 4.
How does the potato chip taste?
The potato chip tastes salty.
Number 5.
How does the lemon taste?
The lemon tastes sour.
Okay, one more time.
Page 62. B. Ask and answer.
Jenny and Andy went to a daycare center. They talked with the children about the senses.
How does the mirror feel?
The mirror feels smooth.
Feel. Feels. Taste. Tastes.
Number 1.
How does the mirror feel? The mirror feels smooth.
Number 2.
How does the rock feel?
The rock feels hard.
Number 3.
How does the pillow feel?
The pillow feels soft.
Number 4.
How does the potato chip taste? The potato chip tastes salty.
Number 5.
How does the lemon taste? The lemon tastes sour.
Okay. So now we have 5 sentences and 5 questions. We need to produce 5 answers. And they've quickly explained to us what we're going to do. But we have to remember the words that we are going to use for touching is feel. So when you ask a question, you use the word feel when you want to know how it feels. But when you answer, we have to use the word feels with an S at the end. So we're going to practice pronouncing that S at the end as well. The same with taste and tastes. Okay. So let's try a few and let's see how we do with them. So I'm going to ask you guys the question. I want you guys to give me the answer. Let's do number 1 and see if we get it right. So listen carefully. How does the mirror feel?
Feels.
So all together, yeah, let's answer. Let's answer. The first answer is at the bottom here. You can read at the bottom over here. There's the answer. So I'm going to ask again, and then I want you guys all together to say the answer back to me. How does the mirror feel?
The mirror feels smooth.
Smooth. Excellent. The mirror feels smooth. Remember to pronounce that S at the end. Feels. This is when we answer the question. So for number 2, how does the rock feel?
The rock
Feel hard.
feels hard.
Excellent, excellent. The rock feels hard. Okay. Number 3, how does the pillow feel?
The pillow
The
feels
pillow feels soft.
Excellent, excellent. So far, you guys. Number 4, how does the potato chip taste?
The potato
The potato
chip
chip
tastes
is
salty.
Remember also when we pronounce the S at the end there, tastes. Almost like the S hits you on the back there. Like, how does a potato chip taste? It tastes salty. Okay. Remember that S. I know that S is not very common in the Thai language, but that's why we do a lot of practicing, because it changes the way the word is pronounced if we add an S at the end. And in some cases, it might change the meaning. So we want to make sure that we practice in the most perfect way we can, because practice makes perfect. Okay, number 5, last one. How does the lemon taste?
the lemon taste feel Sour.
Excellent. Well done. That's very good pronunciation. Excellent. Thank you, guys. Very good so far. The lemon tastes sour. Yes. Okay. So moving on to the next page, on page 63, we're going to play a little game of ask and answer. So let's quickly listen to the introduction and let's see how does the game work, and then we can play a little bit before the time catches us. Okay, so let's listen carefully. We're going to listen 2 times. Here we go.
Page 63. C. Play a game. Ask and answer.
Does it feel rough or smooth?
It feels rough.
One more time.
Page 63. C. Play a game. Ask and answer.
Does it feel rough or smooth?
Okay, so we start at the bottom here with the beautiful tree. So how does it feel? Does it feel rough or smooth?
Rough.
It is rough. Excellent. It feels rough. So if we say it feels rough, we have to go up to the next one. How does the dark chocolate taste?
Bitter. Bitter.
Bitter. Excellent. It tastes bitter. Well done. The next one. Listen carefully. How does the lemon feel?
So, lemon feel sour.
Remember carefully, listen carefully, you feel with your hands. So if you touch something sour, you don't know it's sour unless you taste it. So I try to catch you there a little bit. Usually we will say the lemon tastes sour, but how does the lemon feel? The lemon feels smooth. Lemon feels smooth. But don't worry, that was just a little bit of a game. Like we are saying, we are playing a game here. So I want to see if you guys can listen carefully, okay? So the next one, how does the mirror feel?
The mirror feels smooth.
Smooth. Excellent. Good job. Good job. And the next one, how does the pretzels taste?
It is salty.
Yes, it is salty. Excellent. It is salty. But a pretzel is not something you find that often in Thailand. You can find them, but pretzels are a snack that we eat in Germany. It's a snack that originates also from Germany, and they make big pretzels. You can hold it with 2 hands with a lot of salt on it. So it's nice and salty, and then you can eat that. But in the other countries outside of Germany, we usually find pretzels smaller in a bag, and they also salty. So salty was the correct answer. How about this one over here? Listen carefully. How does the rose smell?
The rose smells good.
Yeah, you can say good. Yes, you can say good. Excellent. You can say it smells good. It smells aromatic. It smells fresh. Or we can also say, listen carefully, how does the rose look?
The rose.
Looks
The rose. Beautiful.
Excellent. The rose looks beautiful. The rose looks beautiful. Okay, let's do two more. How is this girl singing?
the girl
The girl.
is
Good.
So good.
You must listen to the question. Yes, you can say, if I ask you, how does the girl sound? We can say, yes, the girl sounds good. But maybe I ask, how is the girl singing? And then you can maybe say, her singing is awful, or her singing is wonderful. Or maybe I can ask you another one. Which one do I choose? How does the chocolate cake taste?
the chocolate taste
The chocolate taste.
sweet.
Tastes sweet. Okay, okay. I would say good job to that one, because it does taste sweet most of the time. You get people that can't bake a chocolate cake, then that chocolate cake come out tasting almost like chicken. You know, some people don't know how to bake chocolate cake, but usually chocolate cake is nice and sweet. Okay, so I'm not going to do the other few. We will start off with this game again also next week when we have another class. We can start with this one before we move to the rest of our lesson. Okay, so that's wraps it up for today. That's all that we're going to look at. And I have to say thank you guys for participating and also practicing the pronunciation. You guys are getting a lot better at pronunciating some difficult words, and that is a very positive thing that I see, and makes me very happy to see that the practice that we do, it's starting to help, and you guys, your English is improving. That's all we want from you, is to improve in your English, to be able to speak the language and read the language and write the language. Okay, so today we did the census, and thank you all for coming. Please make sure your cameras is turned on if you want to beat the teacher. Please remember, if you can't turn on your camera, if you want to play some rock, paper, scissors, put your answer in the chat. Okay, so this morning, I can't remember, I think only 2 students beat me. Let's see if we can make it 3 now. Okay, so let's focus up. Here we go. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh, just oh, and boss also. Boss. Hey, we have a lot. Hey, congratulations. Oh, Panatat, unlucky. Temfa, congratulations. Also have Caesar. So we have 4 students that beat teacher in the afternoon. Well done, you guys. That is, I think that's
I pick paper. I don't know your answer.
paper. I was also paper. So we give each other a high
We
five.
tie.
Hi, yes. Very good. So thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you again here bright and early tomorrow morning. Bye bye.
ไม่โดน